These are the alyptus artificial flowers for outdoors, designed to add color and style to your space without the upkeep of real plants. This set includes 12 batches of spring-inspired faux flowers in 4 different colors, giving you a full, vibrant look right out of the box. They're made with UV-resistant materials, so they're designed to hold their color better when used outdoors on porches, patios, balconies, or entryways. I like how realistic these look from a distance and up close. The leaves and petals have natural shaping, which makes them easy to blend into planters, window boxes, or hanging baskets. Since they're artificial, there's no watering, trimming, or seasonal replacement needed. They're also versatile enough for indoor use, whether you're decorating shelves, vases, or adding greenery to a room that doesn't get much natural light. If you want an easy way to brighten up your outdoor or indoor decor with long-lasting color, these alyptus artificial flowers are a practical and low-maintenance option.